It's time for the letter C on the Incy alphabet. Bite-sized lettering tutorials for your busy life. One technique that I love to use in my lettering, especially if there's a full page of lettering, is to take one or two words and make it pop by making it a reverse letter. So the letter itself is in white and then the background is in black. Let's look at how we can create the letter C using that same idea. Now, I had the privilege of working with Jackie Corral as we created the upcoming course, Illustrative Doodles. And one of the things that she said in that course that made me go, no, was that you need to practice drawing circles. And they are very important. Think about how often we use them in letters or even just in drawing the letter O. That is a circle. So we're going to be using circles for the letter C, and we're going to look at how we can draw circles that look even. Very important. When you're drawing circles, especially one that goes inside or outside of another, your starting circle is so important. And I find for me, it's much easier to draw a circle if I can draw over it a few times and sort of solidify the shape. That's also really good for muscle memory so that you're building up the muscles for drawing a circle and they know that a circle is a circle, not an oval or a square. I feel like that should be like a children's hit somewhere. That would be good. Now, for drawing a circle outside of the circle, it can help to give yourself a few guide points. So you might say, and visually it's easy to say that your outside distance is going to be the same as the inside here, and just give yourself guide points to take you around the perimeter of that circle so that it's going to be an equal circle all the way around. Once you have those guides in place, you can then start to trace your circle. Now, you might find it hard to do this recovery bit because when your pencil is in front of your guidelines, you can't see where they are. So feel free to turn your paper and draw the portion of the circle that is comfortable for you. Now, this might make you a little hungry for a donut because it is shaped like a donut, but we are going to cut a pie slice out of this, it's all food related, and make the letter C next time on the Incy alphabet.